Well, I also have this just as a second to show you. See all this fabulous debris living in there?
Yeah, there's quite a bit in those teeth.
Right.
I'm going to move the clean. Mine still needs some work.
That's okay. So with this tool, you can kind of cut into that junk that lives in there before you disinfect it. So that way...
you've got to clean first before you can sanitize, as
right,
they say.
because it doesn't make sense to... And this is just like a dental tool. It's just an inexpensive little pick that you can get, but I really find these are really helpful. And again, this is just something you can do after you've used it on the tail end of the season, and you're kind of getting your stuff ready for the next time it's ready to get used, and then you don't have to clean it.
That's the first time I've not been scared of a dental tool.
Well, that's good. There's always a
I
first.
just found a positive use for a dental tool.
There's always a first.
Okay, so we go through that same process.
Yep.
I like the smell of that bathroom cleaner, by the way.
It's not for considering, you know, being careful about odors. It's low odor. It really is.
Yeah, it smells a little bit of a citrusy type smell, I think.
You can see all that yuck that was there. It's all gone.
Coming right off.
It just was a surface.
And if you do this regularly as opposed to every few years like I do, then it makes the job a lot easier.
And what's nice is the handles can get a little wiping down. Mm-hmm.
Yep, coming right off there.
And these were filthy. Or loved.
Well loved, well loved.
Okay, so you can see that the blade is little.
Now, this one looks like has two sides to me.
I would think you're right, and it doesn't have very much of an angle going on. So how would you sharpen that if it had a very minimal angle? Probably is to be, again, close to the blade that you're trying to sharpen. So you probably would want to try to repeat. And some of these longer tools, like a shovel and stuff, sometimes if you have a bench that you can brace it, then it frees your hands. It's a safer way to kind of clean or sharpen and get to that angle. And then instead of trying to hand hold it all and do it that way,
Sure.
It might be the easier.
So this one you're going to sharpen both sides because...
Right, because that's where you assess the tool. It's really hard to get that angle.
Do you want me to hold it?
No.
Okay. That would not be helpful.
Oh, it's sharp.
Oh, good.
Oh no, it could do some damage. So, but again, this is what's nice about these ratcheting tools is they also come with extenders.
Nice.
So this is nice because when you're making that cut, like I showed earlier, it's locking in on that branch and then it's done and you're not having to do as much work.
So the tool's doing more of the work for you.
Exactly. So you can see
I like
that
those,
it's...
and then they store up nice and small.
Right.
Relatively small.
Right.
Whoa.